How to repair corrupt video file using VLC. So to repair a corrupt video file using VLC, first of all, let me tell you that this might not work 100% of the time because VLC is not meant for fixing a repaired or corrupted files or repairing them. But it can still help you place the media if it is not corrupted up to a certain point. So after you open VLC Media Player app, go to the Media tab from the top left. Here you'll find an option that says Convert, Save. Just go to that option. Now here you can see file selection. Click on the add button and just select the video that maybe got corrupted for some particular reason. After that, here you'll see show more options and stuff. Do not do anything, just click on this convert save option that you can see here. On the next page, choose the destination file where you want to render the video to, right? And once you've done that, you can just click on the save option. Here you can display the output, the interlace, or whatever else it is prefer, but you can just leave it as such. And here you can see a couple of options as well, and you can just begin clicking on the start button. After that, the video will get converted, and then here you can say, do you want to restart the playback? No, I don't want to do that, so I'll just close it. After you do that, now you should be able to find them on the folder where you extracted them. In my case, it was on desktop. So right here, you'll be able to see the new video file, which will be completely playable. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.